At Fermat, we know firsthand how vital it is to keep your machines running at full capacity. That's why we bring you Maching Hub, our new platform at Fermat Marketplace, visited by hundreds every day. It's never been easier to find new customers and fill your machining schedule. And the best part? It's completely free. Simply sign up. Click on your dashboard icon and head to the My Capacity Offers section. Showcase your machining services, fill out your capabilities, availability, and all the other necessary information. Add an image if you like. And it's done! The customers will be able to communicate with you directly. As a customer, it's just as easy. You can quickly browse available offers and find the perfect partner based on location, type of machining, and more. Join Fermat Machining Hub today and keep your machines working at full capacity, all at no cost to you.